As to the opinion of some people that there are no smoking guns in this and other complaints, I beg to disagree, Madam Chair. The video containing the Vice President's threat to kill the President, the First Lady, and then House Speaker, as well as the media interview where she affirmed it, is a smoking gun. The numerous documents evidencing payments or the debts with fictitious names are smoking guns. Sabalia et al.'s complaint is replete with many other documentary evidence which are also smoking guns. And even assuming, without conceding, that the evidence in the articles are not or no longer smoking guns, we have them this time. We will produce them in the form of compelling testimonies and newly discovered material evidence. One more time with feelings, as the lyrics of a song go. I reiterate, this House has impeached Vice President Sara Duterte before. The records are clear. This House already determined at least once that the allegations against her were serious enough to trigger the constitutional process. So I ask, respectfully, but directly, what has changed? Have the allegations disappeared? Have the official reports and audit findings been withdrawn? Have the sworn testimonies before the previous House hearings been recanted? Or is the only material development the public declaration that the Vice President may seek the presidency? Maihalin tulad ba ito sa isang supervening event sa law on obligations and contracts? Yung madalas ding tawagin sa batas na fortuitous event na pangyayaring hindi inasahan o kung inasahan man ay hindi naiwasan that had already rendered the performance of an obligation impossible or extremely difficult? Pero sandali lang po. Hindi ordinaryong obligasyon at pansariling interes ang nakataya rito sa impeachment process. Nakasalalay rito ang sinumpaang tungkulin natin sa ating bayan at sa ating saligang batas. Kaya kung wala namang nagbago sa mga facts at sa batas, anong dahilan para magbago ang paninindigan? O mas malala pa, anong rason para tuluyang mawala ang paninindigan? If we found the allegations sufficient before by transmitting the articles of impeachment to the Senate, then consistency and principled conviction demand that we uphold what this House had firmly decided on before.